Hello student. Today we are going to fifth chapter of chapter name is free electron theory of metals and band theory of solids. This is the fifth chapter of the paper number 502. Okay, solid state physics. So today we are going to point Thuret and Lorentz classical theory in the free electron gas model, isn't it? So, Thuret and Lorentz developed this theory in 1900 मध्ये म्हणा किंवा 1900. The free the free falling electron theory is based on the following assumptions. Assumptions like first, in metals, there are large number of free electrons moving freely with within metals. कळालं तुम्हाला? In metal, there are large number of free electrons. Metal मध्ये free electron भरपूर प्रमाणात असतात. Moving freely within in the metal. Okay. The electron revolves around the nucleus. न्यूक्लियसच्या अवतीभोवती फिरतात भोवती फिरतात in an atom. Second, the free electrons are assumed to behave like gas molecules. Right? The free electrons are assumed to behave like gas molecules, obeying the law of kinetic theory of gases. The, the main kinetic theory of gas of free electron is equal to that of gas molecules at the same temperature. Third, the electric conductions, right? Electric conduction is due to motions of free electron only. कळालं का? Electric conduction is due to motions of free electron only. The positive ions cores cores are at the fixed position are at the fixed positions. The free electron undergoes successive collisions with the ion cores. Okay. आता त्याचे लिमिटेशन काय आहे? Limitations of free electron theory. One, it does not explain why only some crystals are metallic. Okay? It does not explain why only some crystals are metallic. Second, it does not explain why the metals prepare pre- prepare only certain structure, prepare only certain structures. Okay. Third, in the rare situations, the electric conductivity depends on the temperature. Okay. The free electron theory does not explain the temperature variations of electric conductivity. काय परत सांगतो. The real situation, the electrical conductivity depends on the temperature. The free electron theory does not explain the temperature variations of electric conductivity. So Summerfield quantum free electron theory. Summerfield field fields quantum free electron theory. So in 1928, Summerfield applied the principle of quantum mechanics to the Thuret proposal of free electron gas. The assumptions of Summerfield free electron models is one. According to Summerfield models, a valence electron moving freely in a constant potential within the boundaries of the metals, and it's prevented from escaping the metals by very high potential of the boundaries. In other words, The electrons are trapped in a potential wall. Second, at room temperature, the potential energy of electron inside the metal is lower than the electron outside the metals, isn't it? By this theory, Sommerfeld correctly predicted the values of specific heat of metals, electrical conductivity of the thermal conductivity of metals. So, one dimension and three dimensions of free electron gas. So, we are discussing first free electron gas in one dimension. There is a figure x right hand side xl and x is equal to 0, then up above the v into bracket x, both are the infinity. So the Schrödinger time independent one dimension equations of the regions where v is equal to 0 is given by, आता काय Schrödinger इक्वेशन घेत दिलेलं आहे कोणचं रिझन कोणचं वन डायमेन्शन मध्ये v इज इक्वल टू 0 इज गिवन बाय मायनस h बार स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2m डॅबा स्क्वेअर साय अपॉन डॅबा x स्क्वेअर डॅबा स्क्वेअर साय n divided by daba x square is equal to E is the energy n psi n. This is equation number 1. The solutions of equation 1 in 0 less than x and less than capital L is psi n is equal to a sine in a bracket pi n pi x divided by capital L bracket close, where a is arbitrary constants. Daba psi n upon daba x square is equal to minus a in a bracket n pi upon L to the power 2 sine in the bracket n pi x upon L is equal to, this both are is equal to काय लिहायचंय minus n square pi square upon L square into psi n. कळलं तुम्हाला म्हणजे डाबा साय एन अपॉन डाबा एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू काय झालं मग मायनस एन स्क्वेअर पाय स्क्वेअर अपॉन एल स्क्वेअर इंटू साय एन. Put this value, put this value in equation 1. या इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये ठेवायचं डाबा एक्स आय ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली तुम्हाला मायनस एन स्क्वेअर पाय स्क्वेअर अपॉन एल स्क्वेअर इंटू साय एन हे तिथं ठेवायची, ठेवली बघा तिथं. नाव मग आता साय एनर्जी आपण बाजूला काढू ई एन इज इक्वल टू मग एच बार स्क्वेअर आपण 2m इंटू काय पाय स्क्वेअर एन स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय एल स्क्वेअर आणि हा साय एन काय झाला कॅन्सल झाला म्हणून इक्वेशन आपल्याला काय मिळालं देअरफॉर ई एन इज इक्वल टू एच बार स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2m पाय स्क्वेअर एन स्क्वेअर अपॉन एल स्क्वेअर. दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 2. According to Pouliot's principle, n electron can be accommodated on the line of length L. Let nf, f is a Fermi energy. F काय nf म्हणजे f म्हणजे काय Fermi energy be the topmost field energy level. Hence n is equal to 2n f. F is the Fermi energy. Hence from the equation 2, equation 2 पासून the energy of topmost level at 0 degree Kelvin, that is Fermi energy, and Fermi energy is denoted by EF is given as. So EF is the Fermi energy is equal to h bar square upon 2m pi square n square f divided by L square, isn't it? So therefore EF is equal to h bar square upon 2m pi square upon L square in a bracket n upon 2 to the power 2. Okay, so this is equal to h bar square upon 2m यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन झालं पाय एन आणि 2 इंटू एल स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 2l. ओके 2l स्क्वेअर पाहिजे होतं इथं. दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3. आता इथं स्क्वेअर दिला नाही म्हणून हा काय केला ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर केला म्हणजे ते काय आलं सगळं स्क्वेअर मध्ये आलं. हॅन्स Fermi energy depends upon the number of electrons and size of potential box. Okay, so density of state is is the number of is the number of electronic states per unit energy range. From equation 2, we have n square is equal to number of n square is equal to 2m L square upon E n divided by h bar square into pi square. Therefore, मग याला आता आपल्याला काय द्यायचं रूटमध्ये घ्यायचं म्हणून याचं स्क्वेअर निघून जाईल बरोबर. एन इज इक्वल टू एल स्क्वेअर बाहेर काढला म्हणून काय जातं त्याचा स्क्वेअर निघून जातो आणि बाकीचं जशा तशा रूटमध्ये ठेवायचं 2m अपॉन 2m इंटू ई एन डिवायडेड बाय एच बार स्क्वेअर पाय स्क्वेअरचा रूटमध्ये गेल्यामुळं काय होते त्याचा स्क्वेअर निघून जातो. सो डी एन अपॉन डॅबा एन अपॉन डॅबा ई इज इक्वल टू एल इंटू 2m रेस टू हाफ डिवाइडेड बाय एच बार. रूटची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे हाफ आहे म्हणून ते हाफ दिले इज इक्वल टू 1/2 ई रेस टू मायनस हाफ इंटू n. Then dn upon e is equal to L 2m raised to half divided by h bar into आता हा काय झाला बेसला गेला 2 म्हणून काय आला तो e raised to minus 1/2 divided by 2. So according to Pauli's exclusion principle, there are 2 quantum states for each energy level, and hence density of state of free electron gas is in one dimension is given by dE म्हणजेच काय density of state. So 2 into dA by n upon dA by E is equal to 2 L into 2m raised to half divided by h bar, and then this into e raised to minus half 1/2 divided by 2. Density of state or density of energy is equal to L into 2m raised to half and into e raised to minus half, then divided by h bar into pi. So density of the state energy is equal to C. Density of energy म्हणजेच काय C into e raised to minus half, and then put this value म्हणजे C म्हणजेच काय C is equal to L into 2m into raised to half divided by h pi, and this is equal to constant. So आता 3 डायमेन्शन मध्ये येतो आपल्याला ते 2 डायमेन्शन विचारले मग फर्स्ट डायमेन्शन आहे 3 डायमेन्शन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन गॅस इन 3 डायमेन्शन. The Schrödinger time independent 3 dimension equation is given by बघा minus h bar square upon 2 in a bracket. हे 3 dimension का x y z they are the 3 dimension. That is why dabba square upon dabba x square plus dabba square upon dabba y square plus dabba square upon dabba z square into psi k into r vector, and now ek energy k constant is k by the constant psi k into r like this. So assume that the electrons are confined to the cubic of edge L, L, then the wave function is the standing wave of the types psi k psi बराबर है ना r vector a sine into pi n x into raised to x by L divided into inner bracket pi n y L sine pi n z raised to z L. This equation number 2. Schrödinger equations. Wave functions satisfying the free particles. Schrödinger equations are of the form of a traveling plane waves. Psi k into r vector is equal to exponential I in a bracket k vector into r vector is equal to psi exponential I into k x plus y raised to y plus k z raised to z. This is a 3 dimension where k is a wave vector. Differentiating equation 3, that we get we write x we get Dabba square upon dabba x square into psi k r vector is equal to minus k square x y psi k into r y. अशा प्रमाणे ह्या सगळ्यांचं सिमिलरली dabba square y dabba square upon dabba y square psi k r is equal to minus k y square k square y psi k r vector and dabba square z square psi k r vector in minus k square z psi k r vector. Put this value in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये ठेवल्यानंतर तुम्हाला हे इक्वेशन मिळेल आणि मग त्याच्यातनं काय होईल ठेवल्यानंतर बघा इथं ठेवलेलं आहे ठेवल्यानंतर बघा एच बार स्क्वेअर आपण 2m मायनस हे ठेवले त्यांच्या व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्यानंतर हे इक्वेशन आणि दॅन याच्यातला ई के एनर्जी कॉन्स्टंट काढल्यानंतर एच के एच स्क्वेअर एच बार स्क्वेअर के स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2m ओके के इकडे घेतला फक्त कॉन्स्टंट दिस इक्वेशन बिकम 4 आणि के स्क्वेअर म्हणजेच काय के एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस के वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस के झेड स्क्वेअर. Okay, the energy at the surface of the sphere is the Fermi energy. The wave vector or vectors at Fermi surface have the magnitude kf such that बघा Fermi energy the surface Fermi sphere. Okay, okay, they are the three dimensions kx, ky, and kz. Okay, so 2me upon h bar square okay is equal to 3 dimension pi square n upon v and now the volume of the sphere काय याचा स्पेअरचा व्हॅल्यूम तर 4 upon 3 pi k square into f. Okay, hence total number of orbital constant in this volume will be 4 upon 3 pi k to the power 3 upon f divided by 2 pi upon L brackets cube. Okay, so where 2 pi upon L brackets to the power 3 is equal to volume element of K space and hence the total number of orbitals will be given by n is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 pi k to the power 3 f divided by 2 pi upon L to the power 3. Now kf is equal to मग याला सोडवल्यानंतर 3 kf इकडे घेतला is equal to 3 pi square n upon v and raised to bracket 1 upon 3 where v is equal to L cube and volume of the cube of H L. Using the equation 5, Fermi energy can be written as Fermi energy we can written as like this h bar square upon 2m in a bracket 3 pi square n upon v raised to 2 upon 3. From equation 7 we can write 2me divided by h bar is equal to या पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल आपल्याला 2me energy divided by h bar is equal to 3 pi square n upon v raised to 2 upon 3. So, therefore 2me upon h bar square raised to 3 by 2 is equal to याला आपण असं लिहू आता परत 3 pi square into n upon v. So n is equal to v upon 3 pi square into 2me upon h bar square bracket plus 3 upon 2. Therefore, hence density of state is given by density of state energy dn upon de is equal to v upon 3 pi square into bracket 2m upon h bar square raised to 3 upon 2. Then 3 upon 2 upon into e half. So density energy v upon 2 pi square okay into 2m upon h bar square into e to the power half. So we stop here today. Now second lecture we are going to tomorrow.